Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Kusuma Telugu Vlogs. Today, we are diving deep into leave management systems. The core function, of course, is requesting leave. Tip 1. Accurate and detailed requests. Make sure you're entering all the necessary information. Select the correct leave type: vacation, sick leave, personal day, and specify the precise dates and times. Include a brief reason for your leave, especially if required by your company policy. Tip 2. Utilize the calendar feature. Most systems have a calendar view. Use it to check your team's availability and avoid overlapping leaves, which can cause scheduling headaches. Planning ahead and checking the calendar can help you choose the best time for your time off. Tip 3. Understand the approval workflow. Familiarize yourself with the approval process. Know who your approver is and what the typical turnaround time is. This helps manage your expectations and avoid last-minute stress. Tip 4. Set up notifications. Enable email or in-app notifications to stay updated on the status of your requests. You'll receive alerts when your leave is approved, rejected, or if there are any updates. This ensures you're always in the loop. Tip 5. Review your leave balances regularly. Keep track of your available leave balances. Many systems provide a clear overview of your remaining days. Knowing your balance helps you plan your time off strategically and avoid running out of leave. Manager perspective. Now, let's switch gears and focus on how managers can leverage these systems to improve team management and efficiency. Tip 1. Customize approval workflows. Configure the system to match your organization's approval hierarchy. You can set up multi-level approvals or delegate authority to team leads, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Tip 2. Use reporting and analytics. Take advantage of the reporting features to gain insights into leave patterns. Analyze data to identify trends, such as peak leave periods or frequent absences. This helps you make informed decisions about staffing and resource allocation. Tip 3. Set clear policies and guidelines. Ensure your leave policies are clearly defined within the system. Provide guidelines on how to request leave, required notice periods, and any restrictions. This reduces ambiguity and promotes consistency. Tip 4. Integrate with other systems. Many leave management systems can be integrated with other HR tools, such as payroll and project management software. This streamlines processes and eliminates manual data entry, saving time and reducing errors. Tip 5. Proactive communication and training. Provide training to your team on how to use the system effectively. Communicate any updates or changes to the leave policy promptly. Beyond the basics, many leave management systems offer advanced features that can further enhance efficiency. Mobile accessibility. Access the system from anywhere, anytime, using mobile apps. This allows employees to request leave on the go and managers to approve requests quickly. Custom leave types. Create custom leave types to accommodate specific company policies or industry requirements. This ensures the system aligns perfectly with your organization's needs. Automated reminders. Set up automated reminders for upcoming leave requests, approvals, or policy updates. This helps keep everyone informed and ensures timely action. Conduct regular audits of your leave management system to ensure it's functioning optimally. Check for any errors, update user permissions, and review leave balances. This helps maintain data integrity and system efficiency. Remember, a well-managed leave system leads to a more organized and productive work environment. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HR tips, and leave a comment below with your experiences or questions. Thanks for watching.